Hello guys, we just hit 4,000 subscribers today and I created this video to document this achievement 4,000, though it looks small to other big YouTubers out there, but for me it's a building block to achieve my ultimate goal of 100 million subscribers. That's the purpose of this video. And also, just want to thank you guys for all your support, for those who always comment on my videos, supporting this video, was the idea that I'm doing the drinking 2 liters of water and the one drinking clean water until I get 100 million subscribers. I know it looks impossible, but who knows? So thank you guys, and yeah, hoping soon to get 100 million subscribers and also to meet Mr. Beast to hug him face to face. So see you on my next video. Bye bye.